Okay, 33, they want us to solve equations, so these should be pretty quick. 2x equals 10, add 10 to both sides, x equals 5, divide both sides, right, by 2, so x equals 5. B, x equals negative 6. We subtract 6 from both sides, not much to solve that one. C, let's do it up here, right? I'm going to multiply those two binomials, right? Okay, sorry, phone rang. So C, where were we? Oh, okay, so let's look at this. So I have 2x minus 10 times x plus 6 equals 0. Now, I'm multiplying two things, right? I'm multiplying this times this. If we multiply two things, whatever they are, and we end up with 0, then we know either this one, or both of them are 0. So what we're really saying is that either 2x minus 10 is 0, or x plus 6 is 0, because that's the only way when you multiply you're going to get 0. And that's actually the zero product property, which we'll learn later. So if I solve these two, I get 2x equals 10, x equals 5, and this one x equals negative 6. So for this one, we can have negative 6 or 5 as solutions to make that equation true. Okay, for D, let's make space. D, we have 4x plus 1 equals 0. So 4x equals negative 1. X equals negative 1/4. For E, we have x equals 8, right? Not much there. And then the same thing for F, right? We're saying that 4x plus 1 times x minus 8 equals 0. So that means either 4x plus 1 equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0. Again, because we're multiplying those two together, this, and we're getting 0. So 1 or both have to be 0. So 4x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1/4, and x equals 8. So this one, both solutions would make that equal to 0.